Welcome back, students. I am today bringing you the new tutorial for photo editing in Snapseed. So for today I'll be taking some new image. So let's see, I have taken this image. Last time I told you about styles. Then from the tools I covered tune image. From the tune image I told you about these different options. So today we'll be doing some other tools, so like details. Okay, I'll be clicking upon details. So in details, if you see, two options are coming, structure and sharpening. So both the options, structure and sharpening, what it means, firstly I'll show you the difference. Again, by using finger or thumb, you can move it towards right side to increase. Suppose I am increasing and here I am decreasing. So you could see the difference. Structure increase the amount of details in the image. You could see the different details here. And if I increase, you could see here the details are coming in front. Amount of details. Earlier it was not there. Again you will see I am decreasing the detail. Now you could see the details are not clear. Okay. Actually, the structure uses a unique algorithm to bring out the texture of objects throughout the photo. And in doing that, it is not affecting the edges of the objects. And whereas the sharpening, the second option, sharpening, okay, so what it is doing, it increases the amount of sharpness. Only it increases the amount of sharpness in the detail of the image. So it is in the same group, both sharpening and structure. But in comparison, I feel like structure is more effective. Although sharpening is also doing the work, but I felt that structure is more powerful comparing to sharpening. Okay, I hope this tool is clear to you. Then coming back to the new tool, after details, curves. Very beautiful tool. If I'll click upon curve, you could see here this line. Now what it is doing? Now these dots you are seeing, if I'll click upon this dot, you could see it can control the image. You could see here, see, burning of the colors. And if I'll bringing it down, just see, total dark. So I can just click here also, just see the difference here, just see this dot. Okay, so you could make it out that this tool is also very helpful. And I can control even the single color with this tool. For that, what I have to do, here I'll click here, I'll click. You could see here red color. Suppose I am clicking upon red color. Red color I am clicking. Now it will only control the red color. Just see the difference now. See? Just see the difference. It is only affecting the red color. So you can do multiple changes in one color without affecting the other colors. So I'm just crossing it. Again, if I'm wanting to do some example here, suppose again I'm taking curves, then suppose I'm taking now green color. Now I want to take the green color. Now you see the difference. It will only affect the green color now. You see? Again, blue color. So means you have the control, proper control upon selected colors. And then the last option here, if you select this one, here are some pre-formatted styles. This is neutral, self contrast. You could see the difference here, darken. So you can select the pre-formatted formats from here also. Plenty are there, you can select any. Beautiful styles, beautiful pre-formats. Okay, so rest you can try yourself. Now after this, here also on the top this option is there. If I click upon this option, it will show me the difference what I have done to the original photograph. Okay, so now after this, the next option is white balance. So what it is doing, if I am clicking upon white balance, first option is temperature and tint. So if I am clicking upon temperature, again it is just like the burning of the colors, like warmth. Here it is decreasing, means like in day, the day is more warmer. It is just giving the same kind of effect, like when the temperature is more, now the temperature is less, that effect it will give. And then second, tint, changing of the color variations. You could see I am decreasing. I hope it is clear. And this is again auto adjusted. If I am doing the changes, auto adjusted. And then there is undo command also. Undo command is always here. Here only two options were there. Okay, then again, if suppose I am increasing the temperature, and here you could see this option. If I click this, like color dropper, it also changes the variation of the colors by selecting the particular color. Like I am selecting green, according to that color it will affect the whole image. You could see. So I hope this is also clear to you. So I'll close this also. Now the next tool is cropping tool, and this is very important tool. Crop means to cut the image according to your need. If I am clicking on crop tool, so you could see here particular sizes like 16 by 9 of the movie. Just see here. If I'll click, then the rest of the part which is little blur or not selected will be deleted. Then like this 7 by 5, 5 by 4, many sizes are there, but I always prefer free size. In free size, this is free size, I can set the size according to my need. Okay, like this. and then when I'll press this tick sign, rest of the part will be deleted. I'll show you. Can you see? So I can always undo. You could see here on the top, if I'll click it here, you could see here undo. From where it is coming, I am again telling you, from here. So I'll click here, then undo and revert, means undo and kind of a redo. And here at the bottom you could see the various edits like crop. I have done tune image. So if I click on tune image, it is back, and the effect which I have given during using the tune image, that effects will come back. So I hope this is also clear to you. So since crop is also very much clear, nothing was there, only you have to cut the unwanted parts. Now the next tool is rotate. So for today this will be the last tool. If I'll click upon rotate, this is very important tool. This is used to rotate the image. So firstly, you could see here I can, like, by moving the finger I can press right side or left side. Suppose I'm doing like this, I'm clicking on tick, you see how my image is looking like now. It is rotated. Again I'll do the undo command. Again rotate. It is giving the effect like this, okay? And not only this, you could see here, this is the option, mirror option. If I'll click upon this mirror option, the whole image is changed. You could see, whole image is changed. This is also important option. So I hope these tools are very much clear to you. What today we have covered. So today we have covered details, curves, white balance, crop and rotate. So today I'll stop here only, otherwise my tutorial will be too lengthy. In my next tutorial I'll cover rest of the tools. So till then, bye.